To know Chipotle is to love Chipotle. Part of the reason this fast food chain became so popular is because it's super customizable and super delicious. But when every topping is at your disposal, things can start to add up really quickly. So here we're gonna share how to order in a healthy way at Chipotle, and I'll share my go-to order as a registered dietitian. What should I think about when ordering from Chipotle? As a quick note, Chipotle has a nutrition calculator on their website, and it's a great resource if you want to know more about the ingredients that you like to order. So first things first, you have to decide what type of an entree that you want. You can either choose a bowl or a salad. Burritos and tacos are healthy options too, but it's important to bear in mind that a large tortilla can contain 320 calories. That's not to say it's off limits, but it's just something to factor into your order and into your eating day. So secondly, opt for whole grains when you can. Brown rice has less sodium and more fiber than white rice, but white rice is a totally fine choice if that's your preference. Just think about how it fits into the rest of your day and maybe add more veggies to get fiber that way. You can also opt out of rice completely and save 210 calories. That could be a good option if you're ordering something like a burrito or a taco that already has a grain in the form of a tortilla. So number 3, you gotta pick your protein. Note that all of the protein options are pretty high in sodium. So my go-to order, the sofritos, have about 560 milligrams of sodium per serving. That's a quarter of your daily recommended intake of sodium. So if you're trying to limit your sodium intake, opt for a lower sodium option like chicken that has closer to 310 milligrams of sodium per serving, or just stick to beans for a plant-based protein option. So number 4, eat your beans. Legumes are super high in vitamins and minerals, they're high in fiber, and they offer 8 grams of plant-based protein per serving. Beans are a food that we all should be eating more of. What are the best toppings? The best toppings for you are the ones you like the best. That said, these are some of the more nutrient-dense topping options. That just means they pack a punch of nutrients for the amount of calories that they have. Fajita veggies, you can double up if you want. Lettuce, it adds a nice crunch and a lot of freshness. Guacamole, it's worth the extra, in our opinions. Tomatillo green salsa, it's the lowest sodium salsa option with 260 milligrams per serving. And beans. What toppings are best to limit? So for starters, no toppings are off limits. Your order is something you should enjoy and customize to your flavor preferences. That said, these might be toppings that are better to enjoy in moderation or ask for smaller portions of when you order. So sour cream, cheese, and queso. We love cheese here at EatingWell, but it does pack in a lot of saturated fat and sodium, so it's better to ask for smaller portions or ask for queso on the side. So higher sodium salsas. So the tomato salsa has about 550 milligrams per serving. That's almost as much as the sofritos, which is why we try and choose the green salsa when we can. Salad dressings. These dressings can contain up to 220 calories and 850 milligrams of sodium per serving. So ask for a light serving or dressing on the side so you can control how much you use. Chips. We get it, sometimes you need a crunch, but the chips at Chipotle are fried and salted and clock in at 540 calories and 390 milligrams of sodium for a 2-serving bag. If you do choose to get chips with your order, it could be a good idea to split them with a friend or set out a few to enjoy with your meal and save the rest for another time. What do you order at Chipotle? So when I'm at Chipotle, I order brown rice, black beans, sofrito, double fajita veg, lettuce, guacamole, green salsa, corn salsa, and a small side of queso. Check out the article below for some more healthy orders that our EatingWell editors love from Chipotle. So there are a lot of reasons that we eat besides the amount of nutrition in our food. Sometimes you just need something convenient and comforting like Chipotle. So I hope this helped explain the healthier and less nutritious options at Chipotle so you can craft your order to your nutritional needs and your flavor preferences.